Welcome back to the Calm Mind channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem a little counterintuitive in our fast-paced, noise-filled world. We're talking about silence. Yes, you heard it right, silence. In our society, we're so used to being surrounded by noise, from our devices, our environment, even our own thoughts. But what if I told you that silence, something we often overlook or even avoid, could be the key to transforming your life? In this video, we're going to explore the power of silence, the concept of the silent revolution, and how embracing silence can bring about profound changes in your life. Whether you're looking to improve your mental health, enhance your focus and productivity, or simply find a sense of peace amidst the chaos, this video is for you. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover the transformative power of silence. The power of silence. Now, let's delve into the power of silence. It's something we often take for granted, but silence has a profound impact on our minds and bodies. Research has shown that silence can lower stress levels, increase our ability to focus, and even stimulate brain growth in areas associated with learning and memory. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how a quiet moment can help you gather your thoughts and see things more clearly? Or how a peaceful walk in nature can leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated? That's the power of silence at work. It gives our minds a much-needed break from the constant noise and stimulation, allowing us to think more clearly, be more creative, and feel more relaxed. And it's not just about the benefits for our minds. Silence can also have a positive impact on our physical health, reducing blood pressure and boosting our immune system. Now, let's look at some real-life examples of people who have harnessed the power of silence to bring about significant changes in their lives. The silent revolution. Now that we've explored the power of silence, let's dive into the concept of the silent revolution. What does it mean, and how has it been used as a tool for change throughout history? The silent revolution refers to the transformative power of silence. Throughout history, silence has been used as a form of protest, a method of meditation, and a tool for personal transformation. Think about figures like Mahatma Gandhi or Martin Luther King Jr., who used peaceful, silent protests to bring about significant social change. Or consider the monks and spiritual leaders who harnessed the power of silence through meditation to achieve enlightenment. These are just a few examples of the silent revolution in action. But the silent revolution isn't just for famous figures or spiritual leaders. It's something that anyone can embrace. Let's look at some case studies of individuals who have used silence to bring about personal transformation. How silence can change your life. So, we've talked about the power of silence and the concept of the silent revolution. But how can silence actually change your life? Let's delve into that. Firstly, silence can significantly improve your mental health. By giving your mind a break from the constant noise and stimulation, you can reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Secondly, silence can enhance your focus and productivity. In a world filled with distractions, finding moments of quiet can help you concentrate better and get more done. Thirdly, silence can improve your relationships and communication. By learning to listen more and talk less, you can understand others better and build stronger connections. And finally, silence can lead to self-discovery and personal growth. By spending time in silence, you can get to know yourself better, understand your thoughts and feelings, and discover your true passions and purpose. These are just a few ways that silence can change your life. But to truly experience the benefits, you need to incorporate silence into your daily life. Let's talk about how you can do that. Practical tips for incorporating silence into your life. So, you're ready to embrace the power of silence and start your own silent revolution. But how do you actually incorporate silence into your daily life? Here are some practical tips. Firstly, start your day with a moment of silence. This could be a short meditation, a quiet cup of tea, or simply sitting quietly for a few minutes before you start your day. Secondly, take regular silence breaks throughout the day. This could be a quiet walk during your lunch break, turning off your devices for an hour, or simply sitting quietly for a few minutes. Thirdly, create a silence zone in your home. This could be a quiet corner where you can sit and read, meditate, or simply be alone with your thoughts. And finally, practice active listening. This means listening more and talking less, both in your personal and professional relationships. This not only improves communication but also allows you to embrace silence in your interactions with others. Of course, incorporating silence into your life can be challenging, especially in our noise-filled world. But with practice and patience, you can start to experience the transformative power of silence. Conclusion. And so, we come to the end of our journey into silence. We've explored the power of silence, the silent revolution, and how silence can change your life. We've also shared practical tips for incorporating silence into your daily life. Remember, silence is not just the absence of noise. It's a powerful tool that can help you connect with your inner self, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. The journey to silence is a personal one. It's about finding what works for you and making it a part of your daily routine. It may not be easy, but the rewards are worth it. So, start your silent revolution today. Embrace the power of silence and see how it can change your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, silence is golden,